Hello everybody, it's me, Taylor55. Spoiler alert, my brother, as well known in our school as the champion burp master. Okay, you ready?
Let me get myself warmed up.
Okay, he's got to warm himself up because he's got to get his stomach all churned up before he can do it, and he has to engulf extremely large amounts of air. Such as what I just did. Only his is like Godzilla. He burps like Godzilla, dude. Okay, bro, come on. We can take a ton of these. Well, actually, we could take some more. We can take different tries. Bigger. We'll need bigger, buddy. Come on. The internet loves you. Well, they might love you. I have no idea yet. Johnny, get out. Did you seriously just spill my trash can? Why did you have to? Oh my gosh, really? You spilled my garbage can. Bro, what the heck? What the heck? Oh my god! What did you just? Oh my god, what was that? Oh my god.
That was a box.
Okay, dudes. Hold on. I'm gonna try to turn the camera around. Hello, dudes, and I hope you enjoyed that. Please consider leaving a like and subscribing.